Hello everybody, my name is Stephen from Kenya. I'm going to give an introductory lesson on mathematics suitable for high school students. Hopefully I'll make the lesson interesting and make mathematics a more friendly topic. We start with our question. First question, what is mathematics? What is mathematics? What is mathematics? Mathematics is a way, mathematics is a way of presenting information in a numerical form. In a numerical form through counting and calculations. Through counting and calculations. So, questions like how many items are there? How many people were fed in the desert? Those type of questions, when you answer them, when you say that we had 12 students or 5,000 people were fed in the desert, those are mathematical questions. If you want to start answers, if you want to start a business, you have to count your cost, list of items, all the items you need, and then you have to attach monetary value and do a total. Again, even if you don't like maths, you have to do calculations so that you can be able to tell whether you're going to make a profit or whether you're not going to make a profit. So we consider mathematics to be a core subject in anything that we do. Therefore, mathematics is a core subject in all aspects of life. In all aspects of life. Now, let's break down the way we do mathematics into simple stages. We have 3 stages. We have 3 stages in which we perform mathematical calculations. Mathematical calculations. Calculations. Stage 1. Stage 1. Stage 2. And stage 3. In stage 1, we have step 1. Step 1, identify the number system. Number system. How are you going to count? Are you going to count in tens, for example, in the normal way of counting in tens, or are we going to count in twos, like the computer language? So that is our number system. Step number 2, you need to acquire mathematical ideas. Acquire mathematical ideas. Mathematical ideas. Step number 3, so the object of this lesson is to give you some ideas. Step number 3 is, in that first stage, is define your variables. Define variables. Define variables. For example, if you are talking about a question involving boys and girls in a school, you can say let B equal to the number of boys and G equal to the number of girls. If you are talking about men and women somewhere, you can say let M equal to the number of men and W equal to the number of women. So you define your variables, and once you define your variables, then step 4, you can say express your problem, express problem, express problem, express problem in equation form, in equation or function form. So you now put your equation, your problem into an equation form. Now, stage 2. In stage 2, you're supposed to perform, in the first step, perform basic arithmetic operations. Arithmetic operations. Board mass can help us to understand that. Board mass helps us to see what these operations are. We have brackets of division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. So those are the basic arithmetic operations. And then when you are performing the arithmetic operations, remember to apply mathematical ideas. Apply mathematical ideas which you have learned. Mathematical ideas. Apply mathematical ideas. And then in stage 3, we talk about presentation. Presentation. In stage 3, we talk about presentation. Show logical flow of steps. Show logical flow of steps. It's very important. There is a lot of marks attached to the steps. It shows that you have the ideas. You are attempting the question using the correct ideas. And therefore, if you are applying a concept like find LCM or any other concept that you want to use, you note there. It will appear in the steps. And then show logical flow of steps is followed by giving the answer in required format. Give answer in required format. So in this particular case, we have marks for the correct answer. What do I mean by that? If you are told, please give your answer in grams, then you cannot give your answer in kilograms. If you are told to give your answer in the number of in liters, then you cannot give your answer in meters cubed. So you have to give the answer in the required format, and there is always some marks attached to giving the answer in the required format. Mwalimu, come and switch off, we play it back. Sasa atakata hapa. Umeona nimenyamaza. Ndio tuone kama tunafanya vipi. Usiendelee, then we are doing nothing.